On March 14, the United States Congress held a hearing with the House Financial Services Subcommittee on Capital Markets, Securities, and Eco-Markets to speak about cryptocurrencies and ICOs. Also present at the hearing were legal and academic crypto experts, including, among others, Mike Lempereur, Chief Legal and Risk Officer at Coinbase, and Dr. Chris Brummer, Professor of Law at Georgetown University. The hearing addressed plenty of important topics with relation to crypto, but as some who were present at the hearing have noted, the path forward with crypto regulation is complex. While this conversation was certainly important, it is only the first of many that must be had to fully understand how to appropriately regulate cryptocurrency in the United States. Strong words on both sides of the crypto debate. The two figures with the strongest views about crypto were Representatives Tom Emmer, RMN, and Brad Sherman, DCA. Sherman dismissed cryptocurrencies as a crock, and said that, "They allow a few dozen men in my district to sit in their pajamas all day and tell their wives they're going to be millionaires." Crypto users on Twitter had some choice words for Sherman, who many accused of not being sufficiently educated on the matter. Cryptocurrencies are a crock.
They are popular with guys who sit around in their pajamas and tell their wives they're going to be millionaires. Congressman at Brad Sherman. Technological illiteracy aside, thank you for the sexist slight.
Even in 5 minutes, in what may have been a rather pointed remark, Emma also said, "I hear elected officials who don't have any concept of what we're dealing with here, talking about we have to go in and regulate. I realize there has to be some regulation, but there's got to be balance." Emma's bullish attitude may have even earned him a new nickname. We have a new crypto daddy too, at Rep. Emma from the U.S. House. Sounds bullish.
I am worried about giving more power to the government and taking liberty from the public.
Peter Van Valkenburg, director of research at Cohen Center, told the room that the biggest difference between major cryptos and eco-tokens is scarcity. The fundamental innovation of Bitcoin is digital scarcity. That digital scarcity can then be employed by innovative people for a variety of innovative purposes. He added that scarce tokens can be used the same way that fiat can. From a regulatory standpoint, Van Valkenburg said that this is important because there is a fundamental distinction that must be made between scarce tokens that exist on a blockchain and are used for payment or to obtain computing services and, on the other hand, promises of future tokens representing the hopefully profitable efforts of a developer. In other words, scarce tokens behave more like commodities, while eco-tokens are more like securities. Evening out the regulatory patchwork. Another important topic raised throughout the hearing was whether existing laws that regulate various aspects of the financial world could be stretched to cover cryptocurrency, or if new regulations need to be developed. At the moment, several government institutions are attempting to regulate crypto efforts that have resulted in several contradictory statements. What a nightmare this is. SEC says, all ICOs, it's seen as sales of securities, but FinCEN says they are, generally, money transmission. But by law, they can't be both. As an industry, we must do a better job of educating our governments. https://t.co/whox6us, at Cohen Center, Marco Santori, at Santori-esque. March 6, 2018. Also addressed at the hearing was the need to develop protections for investors, to enforce security standards for cryptocurrency exchanges, and to standardize KYC and AML requirements for crypto investors. Throughout most of the hearing, it remained clear that legislators are not interested in regulating cryptocurrency to the point of stifling innovation. Rather, it seemed that the United States Congress, which has been often described as dysfunctional, was at least partially intent on finding a balanced path forward. Indeed, Representative Bill Hausinger, R. Mitch, noted that the hearing was hello and not goodbye for cryptocurrency regulations. This panel, this Congress is not going to sit by idly with their lack of protection for investors, he said.